involving 21 Filipino sailors employed by NFD International Marine Agents to work on the chemical tanker MT Lady Helen was heard by the Philippine Supreme Court. The sailors were sacked from their positions and sent to the Philippines in 1997. The seafarers were the targets of a discipline complaint from the NFD that charged them with mutiny, insubordination, desertion, and conspiracy. On the other hand, the POEA threw out the claim and took the sailors off the watch list. The private respondents claimed they were sacked without cause, forcibly disembarked, and not paid their accumulated pay when they filed a complaint against NFD and Vulcanus for wrongful breach of contract, illegal dismissal, and damages. The petitioner claimed that the sailors' dismissal was due to mutiny, insubordination, desertion, and other offenses.